Formtek extensions for Alfresco are designed to increase the capabilities and productivity of your Alfresco implementation. The Formtek Auditing Extension is integrated with Alfresco to provide a complete audit log of actions performed on documents, folders, and other types of content stored in Alfresco. The auditing extension records the action performed, the date and time the action occurred, the user who performed the action, and optional details on the action. This can allow you to identify potential security problems and help provide evidence of who has had access to your content. Additionally, just knowing that a system has auditing capabilities can sometimes deter unwanted behavior. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the Formtek Auditing Extension features available only to administrators. Auditing capabilities for general users will be discussed in a separate video. When the auditing extension is installed, an audit history command is available in the Alfresco Share Admin Tools page. The audit history page allows admins to search over all audit records with several search filters to target their search. I can search with the default filter of 100 records to find the most recent audit records. The audit records are displayed chronologically from newest to oldest and are spread across 4 pages. Each record identifies the item name, the item type, the action performed on the item, the user who performed the action, and the date and time the action occurred. Here we see different types of items that were audited, from standard content, to a person, to a custom engineering drawing. I can sort the results by clicking any column header. A second click reverses the order. There are several ways to tailor your search. I can filter by specific users. I can also filter by a specific group of users. I can further filter the results to a specific time period. And I could narrow the results even more to show only the content type. Filtering even further, I can choose a specific action. If I hover the item name, I can determine if the item still exists in the repository, as seen here by the hand icon, or if it has been deleted. Clicking the name of an existing item takes me to the item's preview window. Here I can see this item is in the Auditing 2.5 site. Some records have more information that can be viewed by clicking the information icon. Here we see an aspect and a property were added to this item. We also see the item's location in the window footer. This deleted item has the same name, but is located in a user's home folder. Selecting the Auditing 2.5 site eliminates records in other locations. The Audit History tool also allows you to search for items by their node ref. All audit records for this item are returned from its initial upload to its last preview. If the node is a folder, you can optionally include the audit records for the items in that folder. Let's search for some folders. We see only one audit record on this folder. If I include the folder contents and search again, all items in that folder are also included. As needed, I can save the results to a comma-separated values file. If necessary, audit logging can be stopped and restarted. This option can also be disabled to avoid accidental stops. A clear log option is available to help you manage your audit records, which could grow very large very quickly and affect the audit history search performance. Thus, it is important to regularly clear out audit records. Clear log can be used with the from and to filters to clear records from a specific time period. Let's clear today's audit records. We see today's records have been cleared. As a best practice, search for the audit records in a specific time period, save the records to a file for archival, and then clear the log of those records. Repeat this process as necessary to keep your audit log to a manageable size. Next, let's look at the Workflow History option, another feature of the Formtek Auditing Extension. With this feature, administrators can search for all active and completed workflow records. We can see the workflow description, the initiator, the start and due dates of the workflow, the end date for completed workflows, the priority and status of the workflow, and a link to see more details. This link displays the standard workflow details page in a separate window. You can also filter the results based on the workflow initiator, the workflow start date, or the workflow status. In summary, the Formtek Auditing Extension provides administrators with easy-to-use tools to access both audit and workflow records for enhanced visibility of the Alfresco user activity. Thanks for watching.